Ale.
Chiro tilanya.
Ale mari tapke de feso sai kan yo sai.
Everyone must put their okay move. Okay, le ke kya do e dong ai nyu ge je nye ken ze ra de no de ne tu nye jen te dao le me zen jang be yang lai du Tse den kyu ge ken ra se che dao le tu mo Ka dang ten che jung lo e to gua ye lo e tse to so yana ma to chabda chitta mo chabda so we are streaming it right now on what? Flight mode on and also Karmapa could not come now, but he promised that and also he tomorrow morning, but not the 9 o'clock after, and then he will also do this class as well, I mean this teaching as well, so right now he could not come.
Mazo kasingna chamanye shaki kola shuju cheyi. Ta chamanye shaki kola tangbo chamanye sha gombe juchayin jago de kari imba tang. Tene chamanye sha gom gowe juchayin jago de kasing konglo robso yu shuseyi. Tene te nangna ta chamanye shaki nangla chidangna chamanye sha yiyo debe ima songa changsho sudun yang tabar zobe sanjege senaymen도 시반 양알란다가 토야기 남기 소저부터 창쇼 수준세 말이야. 주심이 없는다 말이야. 어때 대나나한테 참아예샤 지우게 당고래. 대나나 당고래 나란 디라 시락이 남이게 나는 사통의 남을 돼. 어떤지 이보송하다. 다들 사통의 남이 줄저부터 가장 공부 주심이 이제 가장 공부 가서 참아예샤들의 지혜가 이보송하다. 루 참아예샤 서로 참반일사, 심 참반일사, 다나의 제스를 좀더 최 참반일사 하시는 나서게 이것이 유아인 말이라 유대의 고림신도 양다버서 외상예디 안 둘자 남럽지발라 탈락해봐 이마 송사 참반일사 유대양 락심나 라사보전에 공투야디 라페 왕도 제스를 좀 참반일사들이 되리 근데 텔레 때 소식이 차로 신설을 sonde nenden전에 공고와들의 서로 참아 예샤리 텔레 또도 차로 쓰면서 왔다 이 또도 시루 신바에 되는 셈 참아 예샤리 신도 차와디 남에 받아서 와 신도인데 지고 파 차원에 주대 네 양답을 공부해보라 되는 최 참아 예샤스는 대 용료할 것송하자 근데 당부 루 참아 예샤일 거라 가장 공부를 없으니 쉬지 쉬어야인 대신 되나 말씀 비좀 쉬셔보시.
So Gela had already explained the reason why there is this teaching called the Four Mindfulness, and yes, 4 kinds of mindfulness. Actually there are what we call as 37 qualities for the enlightenment, and from these 37 kinds of qualities of the enlightened beings on 5 bhumi, in fact, or 10 bhumis, there are 37 of them. From these 37, the 4 kinds of mindfulness are actually the first 4 qualities from that 37 qualities of bodhisattvas or enlightened beings. And then also this mindfulness, the 4 kinds of mindfulness especially are skillful means for one to gain the insight meditation. Laktong is more related with Laktong, as we could see that all of them are very much very much based on analyzation. You analyze what is body, you analyze what is feeling, you analyze what is mind, you analyze what is phenomena. Through this kind of analytical meditation, through this analyzing each and every one of them, then we gradually gain the realization of them being nature of selfless, them being nature of emptiness. So this is how then this actually becomes the ground to generate the insight, the Laktong meditation in oneself. Now the way how these 4 are presented, for example, the first from these 4 is the mindfulness of the body. Then second is the mindfulness of the feeling, and then the mindfulness of the mind, and then mindfulness of the phenomena. They're presented in this way because the ones that are gross, the ones that are easier, let's say, gross or easier, are presented first. Like from these 4, if you think of this, body, the physical body is more obvious to us, is more obvious, and it's much more easier to refer to and analyze on. So therefore, first when you analyze on that, and once when you gain a perfect knowledge about it, then it gets easier for you to think something that is more subtle. So the more subtle than the body, analyzation of body, is feelings. What are the feelings is much more subtle than the body. And then subtle than that actually is mind. And way subtle than that is the phenomena or selfless. What exactly is selfless or emptiness? So they present sort of go deeper, much more deeper and more subtle and deeper than the former. And this is to bring, again I was saying that Buddha being most skillful, therefore he presented them proper and
아당이 전에 싫어봐 차라서 른봐 루디가 른샤를 보지 망부지 요아인 말이다 어때 가르치는데 주의랑 실이 돼리 다당이 제서는 최기장시 민벌 세봐 저거 또 와서 어제 남기 죄단 시줘서 왔나 최기장시 요아인 말이다 어때 매랑 실이 돼리 다당이 제서라서인데 륜디라 요구 지혜당 이렇게 내가 지혜당 같은데 그 구조당에게 내주지가 누구지 요대 말이야. 어떤 롱이랑 시제. 다당이 전에 구조당에도 오신앙도 종치에서 와 상마탐지라 지금 구조당에들 사제지고 제가 사가지 사제지고 요한 말이야. 어때 사제의 호지바 동상지고 요한 말이야. 어디 때문에 고집에 샤샤지 요하인 바리라 동상이 샤가지 요하인 바리라 오 나는 주를 도사 예바 쉬었더니 도사 예바 라바파 구조다는 파 도사 예바 소연의 용사 예바 어다 되게 동상이 샤망부지 그냥 걸린다는 르게 시다니까 예대인 바리라 어디 르게랑 신의 예바 롱기랑 시래 돼 어때니 이마성하다 륜디 domduwe tingi jingi yuya yebaje sososangi lutele shasanga dabuje tembuchine taba dabuje na ho juwa ma yirang shin bade wata tenisine ha ko yuya baris.
So in the last in our last session, Gela was explaining the first mindfulness, which is the mindfulness of the body. So Gela says that we'll continue from there. So what exactly is mindfulness? Now, of course, we are meditating. The object of our meditation is our own body, not anybody else's body, but my own. So when we, use our own physical body, and when we, abide in meditation on that, we get a picture of that in our mind, an image of the whole, nature and the whole, let's say, quality of our own body, just like when an image in Buddha. In the same way, here we also gain an image of our own body in our meditation format, in our meditational mind, or meditative mind, I should say, in that one. So now the body, our body, fundamentally it is, made up of, or it is embodiment of 5 elements. Element of 5 elements is very easy: earth, water, fire, wind, and space. It's just pretty much, constitute. Do we know is concerned? It's also observe our body. That is obstructing nature, heart. In our body is nature of liquid, moisture, you can say, or water, is actually water. That which is, which actually any kind